Hello class 6. Today I am going to start a new chapter from English Rapid. So in the last unit test we have completed up to chapter number 8 and we are going to start with the chapter number 9 today. So everyone please take out the book and turn to page number 46, and there you will get the chapter 9, and the name of this chapter is A New Life for Eliza. So before moving into the video, please take out your book and follow the video with the along with the book. So what we have learned in last chapters, we saw that Eliza she was sheltered by Mr. Bird. Mr. Bird was a senator and he was also a kind man. He was helpful, and though there was a law, there was a kind of law that they could not able to help any nigger people. So unfortunately directly he could not do anything for Eliza and her son Harry, and so Mr. Bird he sent Eliza and Harry to another person, and his name was Van Trompe. So Mr. Van Trompe was also a client of Mr. Bird, and they had a good relation between them, and Mr. Van Trompe also a man who helped the nigger people at that time. So now we are going to learn that what happened to Eliza after that. Page number 46. Eliza and Harry had moved to the house of a Quaker family. Simon Halliday and his wife Rachel had been helping escaped slaves to freedom for a long time. So what happened? Here we can see that Eliza and Harry, they went to Mr. Van Trompe's place, and after that we get to know that they came to they came to a family which the family's name was Quaker family. Simon Halliday and his wife Rachel. So there were two people whose name were Simon Halliday and Rachel. Rachel was actually Simon Halliday's wife. So they were very helpful, and they helped Eliza and Harry for escaping also. They were assisted by a group of like-minded people who, despite the dangers, arranged the smuggling of Negroes to Canada. So what happened? These people, that means Mr. Halliday and his wife Rachel, they were very helpful. They were sort of kind of people who helped the niggers. That means the niggers, you know that time those nigger people, they did not enjoy their freedom as human being. So these people, that means Mr. Rachel and his and her husband, so they were very helpful, and they were really very generous to the nigger people. Okay, so they helped by some other group of people, and these people, they arranged the opportunity. They arranged the opportunity for those nigger people to escape, and they after that they could live their own life. One day Simeon brought the news that some of his helpers were coming that night with a few slaves. Amongst them, one of them might be Eliza's husband George. He wanted them to be ready next day to leave for Canada. So one day, this man, that means Simon's Halliday, he got to know that some of his friends, they were taking some other group of slaves, and they were helping those slaves to go to leave the place and to go to Canada, because Canada was another that means country, and there the law was totally different. So if they reach to Canada, so they would be free. These nigger people would be free. So Simon had got notice that those people, though who were taking some slaves, they were taking some slaves, and those maybe uh, within that slaves, maybe George was also there. Who was George? If you remember, George was Eliza's husband. Eliza's husband was also tortured um, uh, by his own master, and he left the place, and he told that he would go to Canada, and he would go there, and after that he would take his son and his wife. So now we can see that George was also coming to that place, and he was actually in a way to escape. He wanted them to be ready next day to leave for Canada. So they were going for, that means Mr. Simon Halliday and his wife, and also the other people, they were helping those niggers to go to Canada. Truly, George arrived and the family got reunited that night. So that has been that thing, what we are saying, that is true, that George came to that place. They were overjoyed. It was decided that Phineas Fletcher, another member of the group, would accompany them on the next stage of their journey next night. So obviously when George came to see that his wife was there, his son was there, and when Eliza, who was very frightened, she did not know where to go, what to do. So when she also noticed that her husband was there, so both three of them were very happy and they were overjoyed, and they decided that they would leave. And there was a man whose name was Phineas Fletcher. He was also in the group, that means the group which was also the members were also Rachel and Simon Halliday. So there was a man whose name was Phineas Fletcher. He decided that he would go and he would accompany all the niggers to help them to go to Canada. Now, however, Phineas brought news that the authorities have come to know that the slaves were hiding in the Quaker settlement and two men had been sent to catch them. But unfortunately, some of the authorities, they had come to know that this Quaker family, they were giving the help to the niggers, and so they were sending two people for them, that means for the Quaker family and also the slaves. Okay.